Hello and welcome, I'm Paul, this is Nam Kundalini School and this is day 3 of our 5-day Raising the Vibration Challenge. As with all the 2 previous days, it's going to be fast, it's going to be expansive, it's going to be energizing. So let's get started. Let's sit nice and tall, place the hands on the knees, pressing down through the sitting bones, reaching up through the crown of the head, slightly tucking the chin to allow length in the spine. Let's just connect with the breath. Let's inhale, exhale, inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Let's inhale and suspend the breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. And exhale, release the breath, keep the eyes closed, attention inside. Just notice how the body feels, notice any sensations, subtle vibrations, as we raise the vibration within the body. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. As always, we're going to start with Muladhara Chakra at the root of the spine. So I invite you to come into a standing position. We're going to keep the feet around about hip width apart. Pressing down through the soles of the feet, engaging the legs. We're going to bring the arms up overhead. Inhale, exhale down. We're going to be doing that for 1 minute, really feeling the energy flowing up and down the back of the legs, charging Muladhara Chakra in the perineum, bringing that vital energy, that internal battery, charging the internal battery, the connection with Mother Earth through the soles of the feet. So let's bring that fingertips towards the sky. Inhale up, exhale down. Feeling the energy flow up and down the backs of the legs, bringing the energy from Mother Earth into Muladhara Chakra, the element of earth. Inhale, bring the fingertips towards the sky, retain the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, imagine the energy flowing up the spine towards Ajna Chakra. Exhale, release the hands down, release the breath. Just take a few moments to feel into the body. Continue to press down through the soles of the feet, the connection with Mother Earth. Bringing that energy of the back of the leg through the live nerve, the hamstrings in to Muladhara Chakra. Softly coming back, we're going to make our way into a tabletop position. We'll have the hands directly underneath the shoulders, the knees directly underneath the hips. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. We're going to extend the right leg as we inhale. As we exhale, we're going to draw the knee into the chest. So we lift the head and the neck, and we close and lower the chin down towards the chest as we draw the knee in. We'll do that 30 times on each side. So let's extend the right leg, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, extend, squeeze Mula Bandha, retain the breath. And exhale, release the right knee down towards the mat. And we're going to go directly onto the opposite side. And remember, we're working with Svadhisthana Chakra, just above the genitals, that fluid motion of water, the water element, that fluid energy flowing throughout the body. Let's inhale and extend the left leg, and we'll exhale and we'll start the practice. Inhale, extend the leg, retain the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha. And exhale, release the knee down to the mat. Come back to sit on the heels, placing the hands on the thighs. Keep the eyes closed, the tension inside, feel into the body. The charging of Muladhara Chakra, the awakening of Svadhisthana Chakra, this fluid, ever moving energy, or Maya, what we call in yoga. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. And come into a cross-legged seated position. I'll demonstrate the next Kriya. So the next Kriya, we'll be working with Manipura Chakra. So that element of fire, really charging Manipura Chakra. And we'll be using the breath of fire there, rapid inhale and exhale through the nose to charge Manipura Chakra and continue to raise that energy and vibration up into the higher chakras. So I'll give a quick demonstration. Once I've done the demonstration, you can make your way down into laying on the back. So we're going to press the lower back into the mat, bring the feet out in front and the fingers and arms out in front, lifting the neck and the shoulders. Bringing the gaze towards the big toes, and we're going to do the breath of fire for 1 minute. I'll give a quick demonstration. Again at the end, we're going to breathe in, squeeze Mula Bandha. Happy? Make your way into the correct position. And let's prepare to start the practice. Let's start the practice. Inhale, hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha. And exhale, release the legs down, the head and the neck, the shoulders. Just feel into the body, the heat starting to raise within the body, the pumping of Manipura Chakra. The element of fire with the breath of fire, purifying and detoxifying the systems, raising the vibration up into the higher chakras. Let's draw the knees into the chest. We're going to rock up into a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Moving on up to Anahata Chakra, the heart center. This is a really beautiful, simple but powerful Kriya. We'll have the hands together in front of the heart center, bringing the masculine and feminine energies together. We're going to inhale, open. Exhale, close. And you can do this as fast or as slow as you wish. I really encourage you to think about a loved one or somebody who makes you happy, somebody who makes you feel all fluffy and cuddly inside, whatever that means to you. And it's an act of giving and receiving love. So let's sit nice and tall, pressing the hands together, the masculine and feminine energies. Softly close the eyes, tension inside, and let's start the practice. Inhale, open the arms, pull them back, opening the heart center, opening the chest. Inhale deeply and squeeze Mula Bandha. Imagine the energy flowing up, up, up the spine, over the crown of the head into Ajna Chakra. And exhale, release the hands onto the knees, keeping the eyes closed, the tension inside. The opening of Anahata Chakra as we sublimate and draw the vibrations up into the higher chakras. Let's inhale deeply together through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. Moving on to Vishuddha Chakra, the element of air and space as we're coming up towards Ajna Chakra. This element of creativeness and truth. Thinking the truth, speaking the truth, acting the truth, being the truth. Releasing anything in opposition to that. We're going to be practicing alternate shoulder shrugs. So we'll inhale, left shoulder up, exhale, right shoulder up. It's not just about the movement from the shoulders, but the bending and flexing of the spine, bringing that flexibility and mobility into the Sushumna Nadi, the central nervous system. And again, you can go as fast or as slow as you wish. I invite you to sit nice and tall, place the hands on the knees, close the eyes, attention inside, and we'll start the practice. Stillness, find the center, inhale deeply, retain the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals, the anus, and imagine that energy flowing up from Muladhara Chakra, up the spine to Ajna Chakra, to raise the vibrations throughout the body. And exhale, release the breath, release Mula Bandha. Be aware of any sensations within the body, any feelings of expansion, any tingling sensations, subtle vibrations as we raise the vibrations within the body, opening and purifying and detoxifying the energy channel, bringing the systems into balance. Softly coming back, we're moving on to our last and final Kriya. So for this Kriya, again, it's a really beautiful, powerful Kriya. We'll be using Sat Nam as a kind of meditative state throughout this Kriya. So as we inhale and tilt the neck and head back, we'll say Sat, and as we draw the chin down to the chest, we'll say Nam, but in the mind. All the time, I invite you to keep the eyes closed and attention up to the third eye chakra, Ajna chakra in Shambhari Mudra. So let's sit nice and tall. Inhale the head back and say Sat. Exhale the chin forward and say Nam. Sat Nam means I am the truth that lies within. Let's start the practice. Inhale, bring the crown of the head towards the sky, sit nice and tall, squeeze Muladhara, retain the breath and imagine the energy flowing up the spine from Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, over the crown of the head into Ajna chakra. And exhale, release the breath, release Muladhara. Bring the palms to face the sky, keep the eyes closed and attention inside. Being aware of any subtle vibrations and sensations within the body. Expansion of the body. The raising of the vibration. Let's inhale deeply together. And exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Let's inhale and suspend the breath. Exhale, release through the nose. Softly coming back, I invite you to open the eyes. Thank you all for joining me on day 3 of this incredible journey to raise the vibrations, this challenge of raising the vibrations throughout the body. Tomorrow is day 4, and guess what? The day after that is day 5. I hope you join me in day 4 and 5. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe, leave any comments. And as always, thank you for joining me, and Sat Nam.